Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to see specific person Instagram activity. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unpin it? So first of all, I'm going to clicking on following, and from here I'm going to open profile, and after opening the specific person profile, click on this notification icon, and from here you can turn on the post notifications, you can turn on stories notification, videos notification, reels notification. So if they upload any post or stories, videos, reels on their profile, then you will get a notification of them. So this is a very good way to see a specific person Instagram activity. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unpin it? Thanks for watching this video.